Attention educational technology specialists, school technology specialists, and innovative learning coaches. Whatever your title is in your school, we have a community for you. Consider joining the third cohort of the Utah Tech Leaders Network, or, because we love abbreviations in education, the UTTLN. The UTTLN is designed to grow the skills of EdTech coaches who support instructional practices of personalized and competency-based learning in their schools or districts. Through a mix of hands-on activities, expert guidance, and collegial collaboration, UTTLN will equip you with practical strategies in knowledge, in leadership, coaching, and technology to help you support all of your school community. This unique year-long learning opportunity will bring together digital leaders from across the state to build a community and a shared vision to prepare participants to support future-driven initiatives in their schools and districts. The Utah Tech Leaders Network, just one of the many ways that UEN networks for education. Learn more and apply at uen.org/techleaders.